So, who wants to earn $500 or more daily while raising your credit score to a 750? Do you have bad credit and are in need of credit repair? Are you up to your eyeballs in debt? If your answer is yes to any of those questions I just mentioned, please listen to the following message carefully. Our company is grounded in the foundation of helping people fix their own economy. Financial success is attained by generating enough cash flow during our working years to support our lifestyle while simultaneously investing enough money to build assets to generate our desired retirement income. Millions of people are not accomplishing these objectives because of limited income and inflation, high taxes, high debt, inadequate savings, and investing. Our system is designed to help people overcome these obstacles and attain monetary success. We will teach you how to get a pay raise without asking your boss by helping you minimize your taxes and expenses, debt elimination, correct tax withholding, credit restoration, and so much more. So, if you are ready to shift your income, insert your name, email, and phone number inside the web form. We'll see you on the other side.